Quick, review how to graph y equals the cosine of x by hand quickly. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper and a straight edge. We suggest you create grids similar to the ones at the right here as needed. And of course, press pause is needed anytime during the video. So let's graph y equals the cosine of x, one period to start with. Since you have already learned the shape of the cosine curve or wave, we only need to plot the points of interest which come from the axes. And this is our unit circle with the axes family. So we'll start with 0, 1. So we'll plot 0, 1. Pi over 2, 0. Pi negative 1. 3 pi over 2, 0. And then back to 2 pi, comma 1. So we're going to connect the points. First we're going to go concave down, which is half of a frown. Then concave up, a whole smile. And then concave down, a half of a frown again. Pause is needed. We'd like to review some terminology. Where are the maximum points? Those happen when y equals 0, when x is 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. The minimum point in one wave is at pi comma negative 1. Points of inflection are where the curve changes concavity from concave down to concave up, or concave up to concave down. Those occur at pi over 2, 0 and 3 pi over 2, comma 0. And the period of the wave is 2 pi. From one max to the next max is a length of 2 pi. Press pause as needed. Let's graph y equals cosine x 2 periods. So again, we'll plot the points of interest. Starts at a maximum. Then it's at a point of inflection at pi over 2. Pi negative 1 is the minimum value. 3 pi over 2 is the next point of inflection. And 2 pi comma 1 at a max. That's one period. From 0, 1, let's repeat the period in reverse. So we'll go to negative pi over 2, 0 as a point of inflection. Negative pi, negative 1. Negative 3 pi over 2, 0. And a max at negative 2 pi comma 1. Connect the points with concave down and concave up. Since the domain of the cosine function is all real numbers, the graph of the cosine keeps waving. So let's look at the graph of y equals cosine of x from negative 4 pi to 4 pi. Notice this is not drawn to scale. So we'll plot one period from 0 to 2 pi, max, point of inflection, min, point of inflection, max. We'll duplicate that one period to the right from 2 pi to 4 pi, identical wave. This time we're going in the negative direction from 0 to negative 2 pi to the left. And one more from negative 2 pi to negative 4 pi. Press pause as needed, as this is the end of the video.